Simon, si us plats vostra semblanza. Friend Simon, if it please you your opinion, would you tell me of this partimen? Two knights I know who of an equal station make honored and pleasing gifts to men. One is so generous his heart takes joy's expansion, nor cost him anything such as his will's amen. The other's heart is stingy and feels vexation, yet through desire to court he conquers his heart then. To whom ought men give greater thanks for such honor's fashion? Lord LANFRANC, I have a right balance, and with precision can choose among the knowing men. So I tell you and give you firm affirmation, I would not be through greed worth less in ken. For if a man gave and spent all France in his mission, with a vexed heart among the folk of men, he'd not be thanked, but one must say in just admission, the man surpasses who from good heart without chagrin does good deeds here, he gets thanks, and his friendship is my decision. Simon, it is no great mastery then, if the generous man knows how to make honored gifts, for his way is easy, his will and heart make a short way for him to go. He is not alone, but companions help him that day. But the other man makes an effort to divert his heart's course, so when his own will is contrary to him in the fray, yet he conquers both and has lordship over them also. So since he is more desirous of honor's ray, it would be ill if one did not thank him more, I trow. Lord LANFRANC, who will or know this I say, of no lover is a gift more thank not by a long way, and the honor that is born of courtesy sway, than of him of a constrained and thoughtful heart's display. For if a constrained or stingy man makes a gallant array, the effort is great, but it is not gracious, I say, for it does not spring from frank gallantry's gay, and since it makes him not merry nor joyous in any way, he loses the gift and the thanks and all that may. The honoring of the generous man Simon, as though by adventure's play, comes without sin, so one should not prize his deed as much as the others born of a graceful nature's stay. In the spite of his heart, so he gives more to praise indeed, and if his heart grieves, it is no rancor nor display of ill semblance, so well he knows to lead joy. So one should thank him more, but with measures weigh, for who makes more effort to stand well by his creed should have more thanks according to right's pure. A very great ignorance, as I read, would be in me, if from this tense zone I let you go without contest, since I hear you speak a wrong as I've said, so I would strengthen more my arguments show. For if one serves from the heart in my sight instead, he who does it against his heart with its own woe is not his equal, though he wish to do valor's thread. For at least one must prize a gift, the more I know, when it is given freely without strife's head. To Sir Jack me Grill, in whom is knowledge bred, friend sign and let us send this 10 sons so. judgment's blow. Lord LANFRANC, I have a firm belief, as you know, that it will be well judged by reasons fed by him, for he knows what to find worth's pleasures worth. Pleasures are worth.